Hey everyone! Have you ever thought about how the medical innovations we rely on today were once just unimaginable dreams? From life-saving devices to groundbreaking procedures, medicine has taken enormous strides in the last century. Imagine a world without antibiotics or defibrillators. Can you picture how three-dimensional printing is revolutionizing organ transplants? Join us as we explore 7 incredible medical breakthroughs that have transformed healthcare forever, reshaping how we live, heal, and hope. Stick around, and let's dive into this fascinating journey together. The discovery of antibiotics, a new dawn for medicine. Let's talk about antibiotics, one of the most game-changing advances in medicine. Before antibiotics, bacterial infections were often deadly. Simple wounds could turn fatal, and diseases like tuberculosis and pneumonia were usually death sentences. But in 1928, Alexander Fleming made a discovery that changed everything. He stumbled upon penicillin. This accidental find sparked a worldwide medical revolution. Antibiotics, by targeting bacteria and stopping their growth, became powerful tools against a range of infections. Penicillin was the first widely used antibiotic, saving countless soldiers from infections during World War II. Since then, the development of antibiotics has transformed the treatment of bacterial diseases, drastically lowering death rates from infections once considered incurable. However, this amazing tool isn't without its challenges. Overuse has led to antibiotic resistance, where certain bacteria become superbugs that are tough to treat. Today, researchers are racing to develop new antibiotics and alternative therapies to stay ahead of resistant strains. Beyond treating infections, antibiotics made complex surgeries, organ transplants, and chemotherapy safer by reducing the risk of infection. In many ways, they set the stage for modern medicine. Antibiotics will continue to be a cornerstone of healthcare as researchers push forward to tackle resistance. The discovery of antibiotics truly reshaped medicine, proving just how powerful scientific discoveries can be in saving lives. The invention of the defibrillator, a shock to save lives. Imagine witnessing someone collapse from cardiac arrest. What could you do? Thanks to defibrillators, countless people survive these emergencies. By delivering an electric shock to the heart, defibrillators help restore normal rhythms during sudden cardiac arrest, making them essential in emergency medicine. Defibrillator research began in the 1930s when scientists experimented with electric shocks on animals. The first portable defibrillators for hospital use arrived in the 1960s, allowing immediate treatment and raising survival rates for patients with cardiac arrest. Since then, defibrillators have become accessible and user-friendly. Automated external defibrillators, or AEDs, are now found in airports, malls, and schools, letting non-medical personnel save lives quickly and safely. These AEDs analyze heart rhythms and deliver a shock only when needed, with clear instructions for users. Today, cardiac arrest remains a leading cause of death, but defibrillators have saved countless lives. The American Heart Association reports that bystander use of AEDs more than doubles survival rates for cardiac arrest victims. Defibrillators are a milestone in medical technology, moving from an experimental tool to a life-saving device anyone can use. As research continues, defibrillators will remain crucial in fighting cardiac deaths, giving more people a second chance with just the push of a button. 3D printing in medicine. Crafting a healthier future. Let's explore how three-dimensional printing is transforming medicine. What once seemed like science fiction is now reality, creating customized medical devices, implants, and even human tissue through three-dimensional printing. This technology allows for personalized, precise, and often cost-effective solutions, changing the way we approach surgeries and treatment. Three-dimensional printing works by constructing objects from digital models, layer by layer, using materials like plastics, metals, and biological tissues. This has revolutionized the creation of prosthetics and implants, making it easier and faster to produce devices tailored to a patient's specific needs. One of the most thrilling advances in this field is bioprinting, where scientists use bioinks made from living cells to print tissues and organs. Fully functional printed organs are still in experimental stages, but skin, bone, and cartilage printing is already in progress. The ultimate goal? Printing organs like kidneys and hearts to save lives and reduce the need for donors. This technology has also impacted surgical planning, allowing surgeons to print highly accurate models of patient anatomy to practice complex procedures. These models improve surgical precision and outcomes while helping medical professionals train. As the technology advances, three-dimensional printing is also paving the way for printed drug delivery systems and personalized medicines. Three-dimensional printing is more than just a breakthrough. It's a life-changing tool that's reshaping the future of healthcare. This technology is bridging the gap between innovation and patient care, making healthcare more personalized and accessible than ever. Organ transplantation, extending life beyond limits. Let's dive into the world of organ transplantation, one of medicine's most miraculous achievements. The ability to transplant organs from one person to another has saved countless lives, offering hope to patients with end-stage organ failure. The first successful kidney transplant took place in 1954, marking the beginning of a new era where organ failure was no longer a death sentence. Initially, organ rejection was a major hurdle, but advancements in immunosuppressive drugs, particularly in the 1980s, made it possible to perform transplants across unrelated individuals. Today, a wide range of organs, including hearts, lungs, and livers, can be successfully transplanted, giving patients with diseases like heart failure or cystic fibrosis a second chance. However, the demand for organs far outweighs the supply, and thousands of people die each year waiting for a match. This shortage has spurred interest in alternatives like xenotransplantation, using animal organs, and bioengineered organs through stem cells or three-dimensional printing. These advances could one day address the organ shortage, offering hope to patients worldwide. Organ transplantation has profoundly extended human life, proving that medical science can transform our limits. As research progresses, we may see a future where organ shortages no longer exist, bringing hope to all who need life-saving transplants. Vaccinations, shielding humanity from deadly diseases. Vaccinations are one of the most significant public health achievements in history, protecting billions from deadly diseases. Without vaccines, devastating epidemics like smallpox and polio would still be prevalent today. The story of vaccines began in the 18th century when Edward Jenner discovered that exposure to cowpox could protect people from smallpox, laying the groundwork for modern immunology. Vaccines work by training the immune system to recognize and fight pathogens, creating immunity without causing disease. Widespread vaccination programs have led to the eradication of smallpox and the near elimination of polio. One of the greatest benefits of vaccination is herd immunity. When enough people are immune, it protects even those who aren't vaccinated. Vaccination development continues, with new vaccines emerging to address diseases like COVID-19. During the COVID pandemic, mRNA vaccines were developed rapidly, marking a significant advancement in vaccine technology. These breakthroughs open doors for faster vaccine production, which could revolutionize responses to future pandemics. Despite their success, vaccines face challenges like misinformation and vaccine hesitancy. Public health officials are working to address these issues and raise awareness of the life-saving power of vaccines. The story of vaccines is a powerful testament to human ingenuity and resilience, shielding humanity from diseases that once seemed unstoppable. Medical imaging. Seeing inside the human body. Medical imaging has revolutionized healthcare, allowing doctors to see inside the human body without making a single incision. Tools like X-rays, MRIs, and CT scans have become vital in diagnosing, monitoring, and treating diseases, making early detection and precision care possible. It all began in 1895 when Wilhelm Röntgen discovered X-rays, enabling doctors to see inside the body for the first time. This breakthrough led to other imaging advances like MRIs, which allow detailed views of soft tissues without radiation. MRI's ability to scan the brain, heart, and other organs has transformed how we diagnose neurological conditions and cancers. CT scans combine X-rays with computer processing, creating cross-sectional images of the body to detect internal bleeding, fractures, and tumors. Ultrasound, another key technology, uses sound waves for real-time images, often used in prenatal care and heart diagnoses. These imaging techniques have become essential, reducing the need for exploratory surgeries and improving patient outcomes. Medical imaging has changed the face of medicine, allowing doctors to make accurate diagnoses and tailor treatments like never before. These tools are crucial in guiding modern healthcare, and advancements in artificial intelligence promise even greater precision in the future. gene editing with CRISPR rewriting the code of life. CRISPR-Cas9 is one of the most groundbreaking advancements in modern medicine, giving scientists the ability to edit genes with incredible accuracy. Often called molecular scissors, CRISPR allows researchers to cut and modify specific genes, opening up possibilities to cure genetic diseases, create resilient crops, and reshape the future of human health. Originally discovered in bacteria, CRISPR is a defense mechanism against viruses. In 2012, scientists recognized its potential for precise gene editing, sparking a major shift in genetic research. This tool offers hope for treating genetic disorders like cystic fibrosis, muscular dystrophy, and sickle cell anemia by correcting mutations at their source. Clinical trials are already underway to explore CRISPR's potential in tackling certain cancers and blood disorders. Beyond treating diseases, CRISPR holds promise for eliminating malaria by editing mosquito genes, which would prevent them from spreading the parasite. The technology could also strengthen crop resilience, addressing food security issues. However, CRISPR raises ethical concerns, especially around the concept of designer babies and genetically modified humans. In 2018, a Chinese scientist claimed to have created genetically edited babies, sparking global debate over the ethical boundaries of gene editing. Despite these challenges, CRISPR's potential for curing genetic diseases and addressing public health issues is transformative. As scientists refine its use, CRISPR continues to symbolize humanity's growing control over biology and the potential to reshape the future of medicine. If you enjoyed this deep dive into medical breakthroughs, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to InnoVision Tech for more fascinating content. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. We're constantly exploring the world's greatest innovations, and we want you to be part of the journey. Stay curious, keep discovering, and join us next time for more exciting insights into the cutting-edge wonders of science and technology.